What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. This is Sister J. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for always returning. Thank you so much for your support. To all my channel members and all my subscribers, thank you so much for the love. I really appreciate you. As you can see by the title, I am making an authentic Jamaican recipe: steamed fish, okra, and crackers, along with some pumpkin and carrot. Come along with me. Let I show you how I make this delicious dish. Sister J's way, Sister J's style, and Sister J's version.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Scallion cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the...
Now I'm washing my fish, after which I'll be getting the fish seasoned. Now I have my fish seasoned with some fish seasoning, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some Caribbean green seasoning, and some pimento. There you have it, my beautiful people. My steamed fish, okra, and crackers. Along with some pumpkin and some carrot. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, walk good, live good, and most of all, pray good. Guidance.
The food tastes nice, Scallion Cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Scallion Cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the